Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today is Friday, April 10th, and I'm coming to you today to talk about the next part of the packet, which is using arrays to multiply. So luckily, this is definitely just review for us. Remember that we did arrays towards the beginning of the year. We continued to practice them throughout the year, so this is just going to be a quick refresher. So when I look at your word problems, I see an example like there are 2 rows of apples. There are 3 apples in each row. How many apples are there in all? So if we were to draw an array of this, remember what we would do is, remember rows go side to side and we think about how many are in each row. So there are let me look back at the problem. I'm sorry. I have it on my computer. 2 rows, 3 in each row. So 2 rows, here's row 1, here's row 2, 3 apples in each row. And we've talked about what would that multiplication equation equal? Well, we have 2 rows, there's 3 in each row. So that's 2 times 3. And what does that equal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. All right, boys and girls, that today definitely should just be a review. But I also wanted to tell you that this morning I had a Zoom call with a few of our friends. It was great to see them. And it was really nice. It was kind of like we had a working session together. And when we first got on, I was the only one that talked. Everybody else was kind of on mute. And then I gave kids a chance to ask questions. And everyone was working so well that eventually I just unmuted everyone. And then I kind of sat here and waited. And as they worked through certain things, they would ask me like, oh, Miss Brozo, I have a question about this. And I'd say, okay, which number? And we'd kind of all look at that together. And that worked out really well. It was really nice for me to get to see you guys working on your packets and just to be able to be here for you to answer questions. So that was a great experience this morning, and I definitely like to be able to do that often. I like just being able to be right here to answer your questions. So I'll definitely schedule another Zoom soon. It's with the packets being picked up on Tuesdays and Thursdays, it's kind of like tricky to know what day you're working on which thing. So I'm kind of just posting each day the next lesson in the packet, and then whenever you get to that lesson you can just watch my video. That's why I'm labeling it like lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. So today was just that quick review of what an array looks like, but I think that that's probably one of the easiest parts in the packet for you because we spent a lot of time on it. So hopefully that is the case. When you're not working on your packet, make sure that you're still working on facts with your family, multiplication and division, okay? Very important. Remember, we have to know them like in a snap, know them like we know our name. All right, it is Friday. This weekend is Easter, and I hope that all of you are able to spend it with your families. Hopefully we'll get a little bit warmer weather, and I miss you very much, and I will talk to you soon.